How to fix Bing search not working in Microsoft Edge. Cache files are stored by web browsers to improve page loading times for websites you've visited before. However, these files can occasionally become corrupted or outdated, causing issues like the one you're experiencing with Bing. Clearing the cache can refresh these files and resolve these problems. Viruses and malware can interfere with browser settings and cause unexpected problems. Running a malware scan can help detect and eliminate these issues. Choose Microsoft Defender Offline Scan and click Scan Now. Your computer will immediately reboot and begin a deep scan. Keeping your browser updated is crucial for its smooth functioning, as updates often contain bug fixes and improvements. If Bing isn't working on your Microsoft Edge, it may be because your browser version is outdated. Here's how you can update it. If that didn't work,